Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about decimals. Decimals. Yes, some basic concepts of decimals. First of all, now first of all, before starting the decimals, you have to some decimal numbers and all. Let's check out what is decimal fraction. How we can define this? Just like a fraction whose denominator is 10 or a power of 10. A fraction whose denominator is 10 or a power of 10. Just let's take some example. Let's some example. 3 by 10. A fraction. This is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or a power of 10. We can take 3 by 100. Any number, anything. Just like 4 by 10. या फिर 4 by 100. This type of fraction is called as what? Decimal fraction. Okay. So now next you can pause the video and you can uh, understand it properly. Now next point is decimal. Decimal fraction is decimal number. Not decimal fraction again. Decimals या फिर decimal number. Decimals या फिर decimal number. Just like for example, this 4 by 10, how we can just like convert this into decimal, this fraction into decimals या decimal number, how we can convert? So directly if we convert it, if you are going through the basic, then how we can convert this? It's 4 by 10, so 0.40. So this number is called what? Decimal number. या फिर decimals. Yeah, simply you can call it decimals, a decimal number. So now next is let's say some number just like 63.482. How we can spell this particular number? 63.482, not as 63.482. This is wrong. You have to spell how much? How? 63.482. Okay. Just because there will be some complications, just like 63.040. How will you spell this particular number? If we say just like 63.482, so obviously you have to spell this as 63.40, but what about this 0? So that's why after the decimal point we have to spell it individually. 0.482. This whole number part, okay, you have to spell just like 63, not 63, 63, whole number part. So this particular 63, this is called as what? Whole number part. Yeah, whole number. this is what decimal number. Yeah, decimal number part. So you can pause the video and you can directly try to understand it. Okay. Now, other one is what? Like decimals. This kind of decimals are the decimals having same number of decimal places. If I say 63.682 comma 4.721 या फिर just like 0.031. So how we can just like see like decimals, you don't have to check this particular whole number part. Okay, you have to see this after the decimal point. After the decimal point, how many places are there? After the decimal places, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 places. So this is like decimals. Now next is what? Unlike. Now why I am teaching this? Because this is very helpful in solving some kind of problems where this particular is unlike over here, just like this unlike one. So if I take this particular same example as 63.682 या फिर 4.72 या फिर 0.3. So this, see this, not the whole number part, just the decimal part, this part. See here up to how many places? Up to 3, here 2, up here 1. So this is unlike, because after a decimal point all are not the same, those are unlike. Okay, here 3, here 2, here 1. So that's why this is unlike decimals. And if you are having any doubt, then you can comment me in the comment section. You can ask any question the way you like. Now, some important property. How will it do this? Adding zeros to the last digit of the last digit of the last digit of the decimal part of the decimal number does not change the value. Does not change the value of the decimal. So adding zeros to the last digit of the decimal part of the decimal number does not change the value of the decimal. So if I say just like 0.4, okay, so I have taken this example. So you can take the way you like, many other examples. There's no foundation, just like adding zeros. So if I say, for this particular example, if I say 0.40, okay, so these both are same, okay. Adding zeros to the last digit of decimal part, last digit, decimal part does not change the value of the decimal. So we can write this as how much? 0.4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, the way you like. But the value will remain what? This. Just 0.4 only. You can take many other examples beyond that. So now I am going to solve some of the questions. You can understand more properly over there. Yeah, from there. Now, question 1. If I say add, (43.15), 6.04 and 5143, 7004. How will it add this part? First of all, see after a decimal point, how many decimal places this 3 of this having. Okay, so here how many? 3. Here how many? 2. And here how many? 4. Just check this particular after a decimal point. Yeah, decimals part only. First of all, so it depends upon you. You can take this one also first, second, third, but for my convenience I am taking this first and second this and third this. So 5143.7004. okay, so 643 5143 643.175. So and third one 6.04. So what I say about the important property, okay, adding zeros to the last digit of the decimal part does not change the value of any this particular value, okay, of the decimal. So if I say, if for making this particular number, okay, a decimal number into unlike into like, so you have to convert all of it into like. Just like for the 4 digit, this one of the 4 decimal places, you can convert this also and this also. Okay. So for this 1 0 and for this I added 2 zeros. So this is converted into what? Unlike to like. Then now whole of this particular numbers are what? Like decimals. So add it up. So 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 9, 12, again 9, 7. So 5, 7, 9 to